Guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today we're taking a look at the Choppergunner. It's a kill streak in Call of Duty where you get to on a chopper which goes around the map and then you can shoot from there. So it's like that, and you can see the balls you can shoot and they go on the ground, and then it will complete its path and then it's going to disappear and will possess our guy again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's take a look at the basic stuff. So the first thing is my chopper path actor, which has got the symbol spine assigned to it. So where is it? This thing. You can see the spine. It's this one and this one. You can add as many points as you want, and it will just follow the path. And then if it follows the path, when it's reached the end point, which is the point number 1, and this is point number 0, the point number 1 is the final point. So if it reaches the point 1, it will stop moving and then will repossess the player. So that's our chopper path. It has a spline component, which is the root component, so we can edit that in the editor. So that's pretty much it. It's all default. You can add more stuff. You can add a construction script if you want. I don't care. So the other thing is the bullet we shoot. Excuse me, which is just a simple projectile with a sphere component and a projectile movement component. So with just a normal speed, just the normal bullet projectile. The other thing I want to show you is our level blueprint, which gets the chopper path actor reference from our scene and passes it on the game mode right there. As you can see, chopper path, that's the variable, so we can access it from anywhere. And then it's pretty easy. The first person character spawns the chopper. We don't need that actually. So spawns the chopper right there. So the character callback is what's going to be repossessed after a chopper, so it's this object. And then we simply possess the spawned actor, which has its own movement logic and stuff, and we do it only once. When it's possessed, we can reset the gate or do whatever we want, so we can use it again. Now the kind of hard stuff is this thing. Now these two stuff are the mouse input and lookup. It's stolen from the first person character, so it just look up, down, left and right mechanic. And then we've got the input action set to fire. We want to fire at the specific fire rate, so this would be a fire rate of 0.12 seconds. So every 0.12 seconds we're going to fire a bullet. It's pretty simple logic. Here we spawn the bullet in front of the player with an offset, just like the projectile in the first person example project. And yeah, just shoot. Now if the fire button is down, which we assigned in this variable right here, we check to see how many seconds have passed after we added that last seconds, and then we change the logic accordingly in order to fire or reset the seconds passed. Yada yada yada. It's pretty simple. Now we do that every tick method. I've collapsed this in a function so it's not huge and in the way. This part is the actual move along the spine. So the first thing we want to do is grab the spine from our game mode, right there. And then there are a couple of functions to get the rotation and the location in coordinate space world or local. We will use world because we're doing that on the world space from the distance traveled. Now we'll calculate the distance later. I'll show you now what we do. And we set the actor's location and rotation via sweep, so we don't want nasty teleports and stuff. Accordingly, do the distance we've moved. Now, if the player, if the chopper has reached the final point, which in our case it's point 1, you can change this to whatever you like if you've got more points in world space again. If the location, if the player character has finished moving along the spline, possess the character we assigned previously, which is the character callback variable. I've exposed it right here on spawn, and then destroy the actor so we can get it out of the way. How we'll calculate the distance? This is the desired speed you want. I found 1.1k unreal units per second is enough. You can make it bigger so the plane will, the chopper will fly faster. And we just add that to our current distance, in which default value is 0. So that causes the plane to move. So if I set it to something like 5000, it will be much faster. And we fucked up the thing. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Don't do stupid stuff like I do without planning the tutorial. Bye.